Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you the best way to make your Nigerian fried stew for rice. We call this Dindin, and I'll be giving you tips to get the best results. If today is your first time on this channel, please press the subscribe button. Join us here. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for being there. So let's get it started. What I have in this my kitchen processor are Assorted, Habanero pepper, bell pepper, onions, and a little bit of water. Now I'm going to blend it just roughly. Okay, you can add some water, don't let it be too much, and this is going to be blended only roughly. Yes, not smoothly blended. You can see how it looks, so I'm going to keep it aside. In a pot, I'm going to pour the vegetable oil I'll be using. Feel free to use palm oil as well for this recipe, or you mix it together, but I'll be preparing this with only vegetable oil. I added onions into this, and I'm going to go ahead and add my boiled meat. I have shaki, I have goat meat and beef inside here. I'm going to fry it in this oil. Okay, after giving it a good stir together, I will leave it and let it fry. I'm not going to fry it till it gets right, but I'm just going to fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes in the oil. So I'm going to add these seasoned shrimps. I seasoned it with salt and seasoning. Okay, so I shake it together and I'm just going to add it into the oil. I'm going to fry this all together for about 2 to 4 minutes. It doesn't take time at all. Okay, so I'm just going to allow it to fry like that. After 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to take them out of the oil. At this stage, you can reduce your oil, because into that very oil, I'm going to pour in the pepper mix. Okay, that's why I said you can reduce the oil. If you use too much oil to fry the protein, you can reduce it. So I gave it a good stir, and I'm going to allow it to fry. One needs to be stirring it occasionally so that it will not get burnt. Okay, once it starts to fry like this, you will definitely know the difference, because the more it fries, the more the vegetable oil comes on top of the stew. All right, give it a good mix occasionally and keep frying until you have this result. Can you see what I have here? Can you see the oil on top of it? It shows that it has really fried. All the liquid in it, it's almost over. It's now time to add salt, and I'm also going to add seasoning into this. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. You can use Knorr, you can use Maggi. And I'm also going to add this seasoning mixture into this. I'm going to now give it a good mix and continue to fry for about 5 minutes more under middle to low heat at the stage, because it's fried already. You can see it. So after that, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add the fried proteins now into it. Please turn on your notifications to be notified when next I upload another video. Thank you. I'm going to add boiled eggs into it. I'm going to mix everything together, and I will allow them to fry together for about 5 minutes. All right, lovelies. The combination of the proteins we use, we have beef, we have goat meat, we have shaki, and the shrimps took the aroma to another level. This combo is the best. Give it a try and prepare it this way. I bet that you're going to love it. The egg came out so yummy. Lovely. Look at what I have here. Thanks for watching.